way to add a little extra to a gift is to include a rustic wooden tag. By using a fence picket instead of scrap wood, you can make this project even easier and quicker. You'll need a dog-eared fence picket. I'm using the wider 5¼ picket, but you can also use the thinner pickets as well. Pickets are already pre-cut on one side, so only one straight cut is needed for this project. Measuring tape, a sanding block or sandpaper, glue, 2 washers, twine, a drop cloth, stain, and a brush. A miter saw, safety glasses, a drill, and a wood bit. The bit and the holes in the washer should be roughly the same size. First, measure down about 12 inches from the dog-eared end and cut the picket with a miter saw. Make sure you wear safety glasses during this step. Mark the middle of the board at 1.5 inches down from the dog-eared end. Drill a hole in the board at the mark. Stain the board over a drop cloth. Allow to dry, flip, and stain the other side as well. Once the stain has fully dried, sand all over and especially around the edges for a more weathered, rustic look. Glue a washer over the hole in the board. Do this on both sides. After the glue is dried, wrap twine through the hole a few times to make a hanger. You can either leave it plain or create a customized tag. And surprise your special recipient. On the fly DIY.